Lovelies! Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bell and join the family. Alright, so I haven't been here for a while. But me I get cussing. So here I am. I told y'all May. We're still in May. So let's get this done. I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm keeping a cake sale. For those who didn't know, I'm sorry. For those who are supporting, thank you. Mwah. I love you guys so much. So I'm actually on my way. I'm actually on my way now to purchase like the stuffs for the cake sale. Apart from the cake, I'm gonna order the plain cake, sugar and spice cake, and get the containers to put the cake in, get the forks. I'm gonna buy my outfit for Friday. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna see my best friend today! Oh my god! I am so freaking excited. I'm gonna see my best friend today. I haven't seen her. We haven't seen each other for like the past 3 freaking years. Oh,
who can tell that I'm excited?
Oh shit! I'm seeing my best friend today. And you guys might see her because I'm taking you along the journey for this cake sale, and she's gonna be installing a wig for me today. Don't pay this no man. This is just a wig as well. This is a cap wig. So if I take off this, no one see what they underneath it. So now take it off. So she's going to be doing my hair today. So y'all will be meeting my best friend today. Most of you already know her, yes. What? Yes. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm tired. Why am I so tired? But let's go. Peace. Sugar and spice and everything nice. And you know who now come out of the car? That's where I'm going. Why am I can't zoom? Oh, there we go. Batty boy. That's where I'm going. But I'm not about to take the phone out the car. On no damn tripod. In no half a tree. Nuh-uh. So I'll see you guys when I get back. So the original cake containers are, they don't have any, they're out. So substitute it with this one right here. That's the food container. I'm so sorry. Sorry in advance guys, but that's all I can get right now. I don't even know if you're hearing me because I have on the mask. So we got everything that we wanted, I think. The only thing left now is the, what you call it? What am I serving with the cakes? I don't remember. Cran water. Yeah. Cran water and the cakes actually. But I'm not getting the cakes until Friday morning, the day of the cake sale. Come on. Oh no, I can't get nothing. No clothes. You just saw it. Right on. So, just got the cran waters. We have grape, and we have, I don't know, the red one. I can't get any other flavor, so I might just stick with buy another red one. or if I can get another flavor, then that would be great. When you say a while ago? Hungry? Phone now focus, okay. So make a stop. BK food. So guys, I didn't get to record anything else, and oh, that's my best friend. Alright guys, so do I get ready with me? Alright, so I got this set, this tight set, I think it is, heart looking, heartbeat thingy, I don't know what to call it. Oh, I left the tag on, so take that off. Yeah, I got this from my online closet on Instagram, located in JA. So I chose this because I wanted to feel comfortable, but I didn't want anything to OD the thing, because I'm just doing delivery, and I was having a problem choosing what accessories to wear. So it was between my hoop earrings with my bracelets, rainstone neck, oh Jesus, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and my anklet and my Scorpio necklace, or this chain set that I got that I don't like with anything. So I said I was gonna try it with this one. Still didn't like it, so I went with the first option. So yeah, get ready with me. Yeah, that's my Scorpio thingy. And my black and white sneakers. Y'all didn't see the sneakers because I left it. Oh, and my wig hat. As I was saying, I left the sneakers in Bae's car. So yeah. Wait, no. I'm phone zooming, so. Oh, Tish, say hi. That's our best friend. Yeah, we're supposed to meet her from Wapi Philo.
Long time.
I wanna meet her.
Long time.
Crosses. Long time. You can't buy more on TV. Let me show you some more.
Just tell inside me.
No. More on curved TV. I don't see no curved TV. Oh, no, I know him name. Kenny.
Talking anything.
Mm.
Don't?
I don't know.
Talking anything.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
It looks familiar. Someone says to go to school. It looks familiar.
I know, so I don't know when you. Which side me have? Up there, sir? But me not go around there, sir? Bombard. Not Jamaica, but America.
How we live Africa?
African. Oh yeah, true.
You can't even drive. Watch him. And I'm a driver. Learn as my having, I'm better than him. Alright, let's go to the show. Starting with Black Forest. No, chocolate mocha. We don't even know the cake there. Oh, what is Black Forest and chocolate mocha? Black Forest. A Black Forest.
All of them are black.
So guys, sorry, I'm just busy. So here we go. Ross, no. I know I can't see them. You see, you a look woman. You think of that me bring you here for sir? How she gone? Yeah. I don't look quiet, you know.
Oh, sorry.
You really look at the challenge? She does. I never know. Yes. I know enough can't reach you. And then I'm parking lot. I am tired. Yay! I can't even give you guys a OOTD. I don't know why we can't remember that.
Hello, sir. Hello. Wait. I'm not lying.
I don't know why I'm there right here, so. I don't know why I'm there right here, so a video myself. Let me feel myself. Tell me which part be gone. But that's that. Oh, you guys already saw that I got the other things, the containers, the drinks, and all of those stuff. Hey, let me go look for the
Put her away, man. So she's about to check out Big Bad Cake Sale later. You hear me say Big Bad Cake Sale? That's so mad, girl. So it's about to be lit later. A lot of cakes, a lot of options. Whole heap of options. If you miss this, the next one, oh no, make sure on the day.
Let's go to the show. Starting with thanks, baby. Thanks for your patience. Alright. Enjoy your day today. Which song we are singing? Tidora. Don't stop it. Don't look up it on the bay. You okay? I see. Watch them. Crosses are my best friend. Yeah, my crosses are my best friend. About my life. You know, I work for go. So what time is it? What time is it? Fish! What time is it?
9:35.
So it's 9:35. 9:35. So heading out now. There you go. Heading out to go home, cut up the cakes, and then start delivery. So we are out. Lucky. Well, I'm gonna pause this. On the way. The carrier look like number one. It look at the exact car. I thought me didn't go to a while ago, no? You know me don't like you. I don't like you. Say hi.
You have to be an 8 to like me.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Coming from Price Mart.
Let's check then I see me a video.
First time being to Price Mart.
Live.
Yeah, we are in the States.
Oh, yes.
We are in Florida. Yeah.
That's fine. Where you there?
We are in Florida.
Me can't bother. First in the America, on the Africa, now on the Florida. I want to make up for the mind.
Easy go to Jamaica.
Why am I on the TikTok? Tish, you couldn't make do a TikTok in this a while ago?
T-shirt back over.
We can put the box on there. Who is not your husband?
Elfo, come.
Bobby, you want patty too? You want patty? You want beef patty? Why are you afraid of? Yeah, watch your lighting sucks right now. That's fish. Lighting sucks. Your best friend could never.
Never.
He made a pit stop. Pit stop. I really. You know, they said pit stop. No, something like that. My best friend, that's you know. You know, some care across with her. Hi! Some care across with her. Market, away market there again. Oh, don't miss it.
Market down there, baby.
Thank you. You cuss me now, you know, so me cuss you. Oh, you cuss me now. That's my best friend.
Let's go.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Okay, we're ready to something new going on, you know. How long would this do deal for the worth it? Psst, your mother. Hey, you don't know something I know out in a Stony market, look. Come carrying it with me. I know I should be vlogging, but I am so freaking busy. I forgot everything about vlogging. We're on our way doing some delivery right now, on my way to Spanish Town, and then I don't know where else from there. I am so tired. But take a ride with me. Come and take a ride with me. Okay, so here we supported someone that supported us. They were having a cookout, and we're having our right here we have this stew pork, we have mac and cheese, and I don't remember what this is. Mashed potato and rice and peas. Oh yeah, so big up yourself, princess. I mean, and vegetables, of course. I'm so sorry, I suck at this. I have so much, I don't even know what to say to you guys right now. I was so busy. I'm still on the road. I'm still doing deliveries. And what was I gonna say to you guys? I was just too busy for me. It was just too busy for me to get a lot of clips from you guys, and I am so sorry about that.